Hi, I'm Jeet Mistry. I'm one of a developer of Recruitem.
I'm Siddhi Patil. I have a helping hand in the student placement application.
Myself, Kavri Mope, and one of the associate of a student placement application.
Myself Abhishek Savle and I'm one of the associate of student placement application.
Hi everyone, myself Raviraj Range. I'm presenting student placement application with my members Jeet Mistry, Siddhi Patil, Gauri Mohape and Abhishek Savle. So let's see how our app works.
So this is smooth splash screen and this is home page of our application. So here is student panel, recruiter panel, admin panel as well as about us panel. So basically move towards the about us panel of our application. So student placement system app project is an interactive GUI where the institute can manage details of student. Most people understand basic Android application behavior. So we are following that same standard. Now move towards the technical things. So we are using Android Studio. Android Studio is a development environment for Android operating system. For database, we have used Firebase real-time database. With the help of this, we can store the data into JSON format and synchronize in real time. GitHub. Projects stored in repositories then brought together by all developers.
Opening student module. If you have already signed in before or you are a registered user, you don't need to log in every time in the module until you log out from it. If you have not signed in before, sign up and enter the details required. After you successfully sign up, you will be asked to submit your profile first. A email verification message with the name Recruitem will be sent to you to verify your email address and continue with the further process. For email verification, we have used Firebase authentication, and for storing the details, we have used the Firebase real-time database. Here you can see email has been verified. Now you can go back to the application and log out from the student module from the navigation drawer just by sliding it if you don't want to continue as the same user. Now you can see an already existing user can directly log in into the module. Validating the credentials of the user. On the first home page, you will be able to see all the details of the user to check if the information provided is right. In the profile, you can enter your details, update it and save back the changes. Here we are updating the last two digits of the phone number from 52 to 01 and save the changes back. You can see those changes reflected back on the home page. The changes remain saved in the profile too. Now here you can see all the jobs that are available to you which the recruiter has posted. You can click on apply for any job available to you of your interest. Either you can click on apply job and cancel and go back, apply job, cancel and go back, or you can click on apply job and apply for the job. You will get a notification from a recruiter that your request is approved and will be taken into consideration for the further details. In my applications, you will view all the jobs that you have applied for. You can delete the record from it, like you can see here if you are no longer interested in that particular job. You can apply for new job, like here the student applied for senior analyst post, and now you can go to my applications and see that post you applied for. Go to my applications and you can see the post that you applied for. Going through the help fragment guides you throughout the module if you have any difficulty or doubts while using the module just by scrolling it down. You can give the feedback for the application and submit it simultaneously. You will be able to see the previous feedback posted by the user. As we type here the feedback, nice app, and submit it, again while entering the feedback, you will be able to see the previous feedback you posted, like you can see here. Now you can log out from the module or keep it logged in. Log in out.
Let us log in into Recruiter panel with an existing Recruiter account created in the same manner as we created the student account. It shows, now let's first log in. It shows submit a profile first, but it's only for the first login. Here we can see it fetched the data from the database. The name of the recruiter is Jeet and other details are there as well. Now if you want to change the profile, we can go to profile. Here let's change the name from Jeet to Jeet Mistry. Let us see if the name has been changed or not. So here we can see the name is now Jeet Mistry. Now the recruiter needs to keep track of his posted jobs. So for that, View Jobs is available to view each and every job that a current recruiter has posted. It displays the jobs placed in cards containing first the job post, second is the company name, third is the company description, that is what type of company it is, and fourth is the working type. Now let us add a job ourselves. Company name is Recruitem. Company description as data science, job post as an analyst, and let us post the working type as work from home. Let us see if our job has been added or not. Now we can see that our job was successfully posted in the application. We can also delete a job that will only be visible to admin once deleted. Now as we saw that the student can apply for jobs, so here the recruiter can view the applications. Here previously the student applied for senior analyst post. The cards are same but with a job status. Let's select this. The recruiter can accept, reject or keep the job pending. Now, as we reject the application, the student gets notified that the job application for the post has been rejected. When the job is accepted, the student gets notified that the job application for the post has been approved and accepted. Here we can see the status of the job that is accepted. Here when the recruiter changes the decision, the status changes too. Here now it's pending, and also the student gets notified that the job application has been kept pending. The help is to provide a set of instructions so that the person using the app as a recruiter can follow them to get started. The feedback is also to provide the feedback to admin. Let's type here. Here the new previous feedback is good application. Now we are logging out of the recruiter system.
So now we are logged in as the admin. On the home page, admin can view jobs deleted by the recruiters. You can slide in to get more options like view companies, where admin can see the companies that posted their job. Here we can view the students who apply for the job, and also we can navigate through other functionalities. In the help, we have all the information about using the app for admin. If the admin desires to go settings of the mobile, we can directly navigate to the mobile setting by clicking the three dots at the top right corner instead of following the long procedure of closing app and starting the setting. In the feedback admin, we will be able to see the feedbacks from the user. Then log out. If you forgot your password while logging, you can simply change your password by clicking on the forgot password. Then entering the mail ID. Now then click on reset password. Now wait till you receive a mail. Once you receive a mail from Recruiter, you can click on the link provided. Then enter a new password. And save it. You will be resetted. Once you are done with using the required module, you can exit the application.
So this was all about how our application works and how student, recruiter and admin can use it. Now let us have a quick view at its future use and how this application is helpful to all. The student placement application is used to unite students and companies on the same platform. So the searching for jobs will be easy for students and searching for employees will be easy for companies. Also, in future many institutes can use our application for campus recruitment to provide placements for the students. Placement gives students the opportunity to gain skills specified to the subjects or industry of their choice. It also increases the knowledge of the industry or a sector. So, the student placement application allows the institute to provide a portal for the students to apply for jobs and get placed to a company for the betterment of their future.